everybody, hope you're well. It's Marianne, Miss Fixer. We've got these very, very infected and damaged nails. So what we're going to do today is we are just going to remove them very easily. I love removing really thick nails. I know it's a bit strange for somebody to say that. And the reason why is I find that these really come off very, very easily compared to a kind of a fungal infection that's been there, that's more attached onto the nail bed. Got one off very easily, and what we have is this nice pink and healthy nail bed. Just going to cover the outside. Just a little bit of dead skin here. What we have here is a tiny circular lesion here that's not really attached onto the nail bed, and these can be like toenails, epithelial cells, but we need to histo it to make sure it's nothing kind of bad. I doubt it, but you can see. I think I've only had one of these in my career. Two. One was a really big one actually. So we're just gonna put that in the histo pot. So this one's kind of stuck in. So what I'm going to do is just not too. It's easier just to remove that from there. So I'm just going to remove that. Just a little bit of nail in here that doesn't want to come out. Voila. Just that one little tiny lesion there. That's this. Like I said, it's very, I've seen it once or twice. It's just epithelial cells. I think it's on my YouTube actually. I'll forward it to you, what the outcome of that. But it was bigger. Then we've got this layer of debris. I always like to use an elevator on this because it just feels like there's less damage. You can see that there's a thin layer of debris on top here, so we're just gonna just gently remove that.